In this video, we will talk about linear equations in one variable and how to solve them. Hello friends, you are watching channel Number Collage. This channel features concept videos on mathematics which you would love to watch. Let's understand linear equations in one variable. Equations of the type 2x minus 3 equals 7, 2y minus 9 equals 4, x by 3 plus 5 by 2 equals minus 3 by 2, 15 by 4 minus 7x equals 9, etc. are called linear equations in one variable because there is only one variable in each equation, and it is called linear because the power of the variable in each equation is 1. Solving equation means finding that value of the variable for which the equation holds true. For example, solving x minus 2 equals 7 means finding that value of x for which the left hand side becomes right hand side of this equation. Suppose if we put x equals 9, then the left hand side of this equation becomes 9 minus 2, which is 7, and which is the right hand side of this equation. Since the left hand side equals right hand side of this equation, we say that 9 is the solution or root of this linear equation in one variable. Y plus 3 equals 10 holds true for y equals 7. Therefore, 7 is the solution of this linear equation in one variable. 6 equals z plus 2 holds true for z equals 4. Hence, 4 is solution of this linear equation in one variable. How to solve x minus 2 equals 7? Here we have to find the value of x. So for that we will operate on this equation in such a manner that in the end only x will be left on the left hand side and the numbers on the right hand side. So for that first we have to eliminate this minus 2. For that I will have to add plus 2 on both sides. So we write x minus 2 plus 2 equals 7 plus 2. So we have added plus 2 on both the sides. So that eliminates this minus 2, and we are left with x on the left hand side and 9 on the right hand side. So the value of x, which is 9, that we got in the end is the solution of this linear equation. We have another way of solving this equation. Solve x minus 2 equals 7. Since we have to keep only x on the left hand side, we will move this minus 2 to the right hand side. While doing so, we have to change the sign of this minus 2. So we will write it plus 2. So in the next step, we write x equals 7 plus 2. That gives us 9. So x equals 9 is the solution of this linear equation. Solve 3 by 7 plus x equals 17 by 7. Since we have to keep only x on the left hand side, we have to eliminate this 3 by 7. So we will add minus 3 by 7 on both sides. So we write 3 by 7 plus x minus 3 by 7 equals 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 is 0. So we get x equals 17 minus 3 by 7 which is 14 by 7, which is 2. So x equals 2 is the solution of this linear equation. We can solve this linear equation by another way. Solve 3 by 7 plus x equals 17 by 7. To keep only x on the left hand side, we have to move this 3 by 7 to the right hand side. So we write x equals 17 by 7. While doing so, we have to change its sign. It will be minus 3 by 7. That gives us 17 minus 3 by 7, which is 14 by 7, which is 2. And x equals 2 is the solution of this linear equation. We will solve t by 5 equals 10. Since we have to keep only t on the left hand side, we have to eliminate this 5. So we multiply by 5 on both the sides. So we write t by 5 multiplied by 5 equals 10 multiplied by 5. This 5 gets cancelled and we get t equals 10 multiplied by 5, 50. So t equals 50 is the solution of this linear equation. We can solve this equation by another way. Solve t by 5 equals 10. This is nothing but t multiplied by 1 by 5 equals 10. Here we have to move this 1 by 5 to the right hand side, and since 1 by 5 is multiplied here, we have to divide it here. So we write t equals 10 multiplied by 5, which gives us 50. So t equals 50 is the solution of this linear equation. We can solve t by 5 equals 10 one more way, known as cross multiplication. So for that, we will rewrite this equation as t by 5 equals 10 by 1. We will cross multiply, which means we will multiply this t and 1. So it will be t multiplied by 1, which is equal to 10 multiplied by 5. That gives us t equals 50. So t equals 50 is the solution of this linear equation. We will solve one more equation by cross multiplication. Solve 2x by 8 equals 18. We can write 2x by 8 equals 18 by 1. By cross multiplication, 2x multiplied by 1 will be 2x and 18 multiplied by 8. We have to move this 2 to the right hand side. Since it is multiplied on the left hand side, when it goes to the right hand side, it will be divided. So we write x equals 18 multiplied by 8 divided by 2. It will be 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So x will be 18 fours are 72. So x equals 72 is the solution of this linear equation. Solve 14y minus 8 equals 13. We will take this minus 8 to the right hand side. So we write 14y equals 13 plus 8, that will be 21. Now since here 14 is multiplied to y, when it goes to the right hand side it will be divided. So we write y equals 21 divided by 14. 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So y will be 3 by 2. So this is the solution of this linear equation. Solve x by 3 plus 1 equals 7 by 15. First we will move this 1 to the right hand side and write x by 3 equals 7 by 15 minus 1. 1 will change its sign. So that will be 7 minus 15 into minus 1 minus 15 by 15. So x by 3 will be minus 8 by 15. Now we have to move this 3 which is divided to x to the right hand side so that it will be multiplied. So we write x equals minus 8 by 15 multiplied by 3. It will be 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So x will be minus 8 by 5. So this is the solution of this linear equation. So far, we have solved the linear equations in one variable in which the variable was only on one side of the equal to sign, either on the left hand side or on the right hand side. But now we are going to see equations in which the variable is on both the sides. The first is solve 3x equals 2x plus 18. We have to move this 2x to the left hand side. We write 3x. When 2x goes to the left hand side, its sign will change. It will become minus 2x equals 18. Now 3x minus 2x is x. So x equals 18 will be the solution of this linear equation. Next, let us solve 5t minus 3 equals 3t minus 5. In this equation, the variable is on both sides of the equal sign. We will move this 3t to the left hand side, so it will become minus t. So we write 5t minus 3t. At the same time, we will move this minus 3 to the right hand side, so that minus 3 will become plus 3. So we write equals minus 5 plus 3. 5t minus 3t will be 2t, and minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2. So t will be this minus 2 divided by this 2, which is multiplied by on the left hand side, it will be divided by on the right hand side. Minus 2 by 2 will be minus 1. So t equals minus 1 is the solution of this equation. We will solve x equals 4 by 3 multiplied by x plus 10. Here also the variable x is on both sides of the equal sign. First, we will cross multiply, so that we multiply this x by 3. So it will be 3x equals this 4 multiplied the bracket x plus 10. So that will be 3x equals, we will open the bracket, it will be 4 into x, that is 4x, 4 into 10, that will be 40. Now we will take this 4x to the left hand side by changing its sign. So it will be 3x minus 4x equals 40. Now 3 minus 4 will be minus 1, so it will be minus x equals 40. We will take this minus 1 to the right hand side, so that it will become x equals 40 by minus 1. So that will be minus 40. Or simply we write x equals, moving this minus sign to the right hand side, x equals minus 40. So this is the solution of this linear equation. Solve 2x by 3 plus 1 equals 7x by 15 plus 3. We find that there are variables on both sides of the equal sign. We will move this 7x by 15 towards left by changing its sign, and we will move this 1 to the right hand side by changing its sign. So we write 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 equals 3 minus 1 equals 2. LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So we multiply the first term, 2x by 3, by 5 divided by 5 minus 7x by 15 equals 2. This will be 10x minus 7x by 15 equals 2. This will be 10x minus 7x is 3x by 15 equals 2. Now by cross multiplication, we write 3x equals 15 twos are 30. Here 3 is multiplied to x, so when it goes to the right hand side, it will divide 30. So we write x equals 30 by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So therefore x equals 10 is the solution of this linear equation. Solve 3m equals 5m minus 8 by 5. there are variables on both sides of the equal sign. We will move this 5m towards left by changing its sign. So we write 3m minus 5m equals minus 8 by 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2m equals minus 8 by 5. Minus sign cancels from both sides and we get 2m equals 8 by 5. Here 2 is multiplied on the left hand side. When it goes to the right hand side, it will divide 8 by 5. So we write m equals 8 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 2. That will be 2 ones are 2 fours are. So that gives us m equals 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is the solution of this linear equation. Solve 2y plus 5 by 3 equals 26 by 3 minus y. There are variables on both sides of the equal sign. We will move this minus y to the left hand side and this 5 by 3 to the right hand side by changing their signs. So we write 2y, this minus y will be plus y equals 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So 2 plus 1 will be 3y equals 26 minus 5, 21 by 3. It will be 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21. Here 3 is multiplied. So when it goes to the right hand side, it will divide this 7. So we get y equals 7 by 3. So y equals 7 by 3 is the solution of this linear equation. Friends, if you like this video, please click the like button. Share this video with your friends and classmates. Do subscribe this channel to get more videos of this type. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.